Okay, then I'm good. Let's go.
I'm ready.
I started at IKEA in 2016.
2018.
A friend of a friend introduced me to IKEA. I think I was 19 when I started.
I started as a cashier, then I went to returns.
I started in the North York store and just slowly kind of worked my way up through sales.
I've been with IKEA for going on 27 years.
I've been with IKEA for 25 years.
First started at IKEA in 1992 at IKEA Gateshead in England, UK.
When I joined, I didn't even think I knew how to do sales. It was the first time ever in retail.
Yeah, my journey took me all over the place. I've worked in almost every single store across Canada.
I never could have imagined that I would have had the opportunity to go to Sweden, travel throughout Canada, and open new stores.
I think there's a lot of career development opportunities within the GTA. I think we're really lucky because we have the stores are relatively close together, so you can travel between stores, you could move between them also.
Years ago there was no movement in the GTA, and now there's tons of movement in the GTA. So I think that is the exciting part about growth, is that everybody has a chance at something.
Having worked in different units, so IKEA Dublin, IKEA Ottawa, IKEA Etobicoke now, I would say definitely it's about people.
IKEA to me is more like a university. I always joke with my colleagues, IKEA is like a school, like a university where classmates from different grades, different major.
Working at IKEA Vaughan, it's like a family there. We are basically our one unit. Whether you work in logistics or sales or common, it's funny, you work together, you basically spend a lot of time with these people, so it's like a second home to me. So working at Vaughan is like a family.
I think the opportunity in working with different units is the people and understanding how each person is unique in each store, and you carry that on your journey no matter where you go, and you always feel like it's home no matter what IKEA that you go to.
It was one community, and it was always meeting the same type of people in every single location because it's such a value-based company. You're meeting people with the same type of values, so you feel very comfortable regardless of whatever store that you're in. It kind of feels like home and the same.
Well, there's so much to learn, right? And the more I learn and the more I know about the company, the more opportunities come towards me or anybody else who's interested. So I think the future is exciting.
I think that there's a lot of opportunity for different people to travel around to the different stores and still stay within the Toronto area.
You grow and learn from moving. It really is enriching. I know sometimes it feels a bit scary, but it's like, I think, take the leap and you'd be really surprised how rewarding it is. So I think as long as you raise your hand and say you're interested in a career with IKEA, anything is possible, and you shouldn't limit yourself.